Hello YouTubers! Shot a little speaking here about this lawnmower. Wanted to see if there's any blow-by coming out of the PC valve or the crank box, the gearbox, not gearbox, the engine block air valve. It has, if you have any blow-by, it'll be coming out that little rubber tube that goes into the carburetor. It's the blow-by. You'd see a lot of blow-by coming out of that. Now Keith says they use oil. Seems like a lot of oil, but you know, this thing it probably only has about 1.5 quarts, so maybe third of a quart or something goes through a third of a quart, but they cut a pretty big patch of grass, sounds like. But we're going to look it over. I just did a quick look when I came down here. That's what I wanted to see outside, since I had some really good light. Shine my flashlight on that blow-by, and there was no blow-by coming out of there. So we're going to have to look for other things, I think. Possible head gasket, but let's go through all the little deals that we need to do to come up with that conclusion. So let's take a look at what we're going to be working on. Okay, this is a Troy-Bilt. What's it say there? 7-speed transmission. Never drove me a 7-speed before. Nice one. Love my Briggs & Strattons. 17.5. Power built. Ooh, scary. Pretty clean little engine. You know, it's got its regular just dirt from cutting grass and stuff like that. Not throwing a lot out. Got a nice, looks like electric PTO. 5, let's see here. Yeah, 5 height adjustment. There's the speed control. It's in park now, but I had it up on 7th speed. Pretty fast little bugger for a lawnmower. But here's where we were at, and I don't see a lot of oil. So let's go through this. Take the air cleaner off. Yeah, blow-by. Usually that blow-by, you'd see that on the oil, on the air filter. But I'm not sure. I did look at this before, so I've had this open. Didn't see any remnants of it. And here's the filter. It's got a nice little foam deal on it. They do keep very good care of their lawnmowers. Change the oil. And see, yeah, I don't get it. I'm going to put that back on again before I forget about it. But I don't think it's going to really change anything. If I got to pull the head off, I'm going to have to. I think I might have to pull the carburetor off. I'm not sure on this model. Come on. Okay, hang on. Okay, I'm back. I had to take this. Takes 2 hands to get that pipe back on there. I took the bulbs out of the right up here, and then there's a couple bolts. There's a bolt there, and a bolt there, and there. Take this hood off. I think it lifts up out of here. I guess we're going to find out. I'm going to loosen up those bolts, and I think that's how it comes off, but we'll find out real quick. Alright, I guess it's not going to slide out of there. Scratch this shiny nice wood. Oh, now I'll bring you around to the front here and we'll check out the front. Alright. Alley-oop and over. Don't get dizzy on me now. Alright. Here we go. Yes, everything could trip over out here. Alright. Well, let me get my knee pad. my old knees. Okay. So what we're going to do is pull this spark plug out, run a compression check on it. I'll get my spark plug puller so I don't pull that end out of the boot. This is where you set your valves. Your head's up in here. So we have oil, we have gas. We're all good on that. Didn't see any blow by, so let me shut you off here and then we're going to go right into doing a compression check on this. Alright. Alright. You go and you spend all your money on these special tools and then you can't find them. I found it. Wraps around the spark plug boot and then you clamp it on there and you pull it right straight off. Saves messing around. You can twist it a little bit, that's what you should do. Twist it a little bit, break the seal around the spark plug, and it should come right off. Look at that. Right out of there. And I think this should be the right size. Maybe. Maybe not. No, it's the right size. This is the exhaust pipe and it's hot. That's alright. Ooh, spark plug looks not so good. Let me get up here. See if I can get that thing to focus for you. Hang on, where are you? Right there. See, it's kind of cruddy. I got my flashlight on it. I never know until I play this how much. Where you at? There we are. See the crud up in there? It's all pretty kind of crusty. Hang on. There we go. It's a little crusty. Just a little bit. Yeah, you got some oil coming from somewhere there. Yeah. It's not a good sign.